10 or 12, or a baker's dozen. Pies or cookies, buns or bread, what shall I make for you? Any yummy treat you like, I will gladly bake for you. Fix vans and trucks and cars, I am a mechanic. Engine problems or flat tires, you've no need to panic. I will fix your dings and dents, your rust is gone forever. I am great with motor things, I am very clever. Firefighter, I am called, I'm trained to put out fires. We've a truck with ladders on that helps us to get higher. Special hoses douse the blazes using lots of water. I will save you from a blaze, for I'm a firefighter. I am a librarian, my library's so quiet. But when our new books arrive, our members have a riot. You can read a book right here or find a book to borrow. Just remember, bring it back, my records are most thorough. I'm an artist painting pretty pictures of the scenery. I have many colors for the flower, sky and greenery. I paint trees and birds and bees, I even paint the people. This one is a country scene, a painting oh so peaceful. Waiter serving dishes, would you like to dine here? I will bring the menus over, would you like some wine here? Water for the table, sir, would you like to order? I will bring you fancy plates with drizzles on the border.
Please click to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos.